path. So to run a sample, to start a new sample, you're going to first turn the magazine to whichever location you're interested in. So F3 is turn magazine. You'll enter the number that you want to go to. So I'm going to go to location 11. I'm already at 11. So next step then is to input channel. I'm going to input 3. This is the reference. This is cup 3 for strontium. I'm going to input mass 88, and I'm going to open the valve and hear the valve opening. And then the next step is to heat up your ione side. And so for location 11, it goes location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to turn the ione side on number 6, and I'm going to, you can press and hold the high speed button and it turns it up very quickly. I'm going to turn it to 3200. And then I'm going to change now to the EVA side and heat this up to around 1200, 1400. And you can see the chart recorder is detecting signals, so there's some mass unit 88 that's ionizing. And at this point it's the skill of getting as much signal as you can. And so you're going to, I always work from left to right. You can adjust the magazine slightly, and this is going to move the filament up or down, and this has the greatest effect on how much signal you get. So I'm trying to find the location that gives me the most signal. And I'm going to try and focus with one lens only, and I'm going to use the lower one because I can remember if I do get it all out of focus, all out of whack, I can at least turn this lens back to the original location in case I don't get too far gone. So I'm at, it looks at about 2.0, so I'm just going to turn the lens one way, see if I get the beam, turn it back the other way, and I can look at the chart recorder and find that that's the optimal focus. So I'm going to slowly work the lenses, turning them both in the same direction, this case counterclockwise, and just slightly adjusting them so I get the most signal. So once I feel like I've got the magazine in a good position, then I can work the shielding plate, adjusting that to get the most signal, and constantly adjusting the focus to get as much signal as I can. Turn it up, and I might get a peak center, so it's F6 to make sure that will tell us how well I'm focused. You should get a fairly symmetrical peak scan. And at this point it's just again adjusting the magazine, the focus, everything it takes to get as much signal as you can, and hopefully give yourself enough voltage that you can start an analysis. And you can tell that every time you heat it up, sometimes the filament, different parts of the filament ionize better, so it's every time you turn it up, check to see if adjusting the magazine has a greater or less improvement with the slight adjustment.
So you're not even at 0.1 here.
Now this sample doesn't look like it's going to have a lot, so I might start an analysis as soon as I can once it's focused, just to get some sort of number. So I'm just going to start the analysis now, turn to main keys, ECQ for acquisition, single acquisition. I'm going to change the identifier number or the sample name, so this is T1477 strontium spike. Same day, and I'm just going to change the location to 11. Save table, edit end, no.